Hey guys, today I have less of a roll for you and more of a stretch, but it's a stretch that's really special to do with the foam roller. So I'm excited about it because I've been sick lately, and when I'm sick, putting pressure on my muscles always feels really good, but it often causes me to get a little bit worse because it swells up my lymph nodes, and I try to stay away from rolling actually too intensely when I'm sick. Rolling gently is no problem, but I really want that deep pressure. It's just not a wise time to do it. But the stretch of keeping your chest open, keeping your breathing capacity on point when you're sick is really great. And it's also just a really great open chest stretch for any other time in your life. So while you don't need a soft roller or a firm roller, it doesn't matter which kind, you will need a 36-inch long roller. And if you don't have one of those, just ditch the roller and see what this feels like to do it just on the ground without a roller. Okay, so there we go. I'm making rolling content without a roller. So if you do have a roller and you're with me, I call this the ultimate opener. I'm choosing this angle so that you can see kind of everything that's going to be happening. Sit on the very edge of your roller and then go ahead and walk yourself down so that your spine is in line with the roller and your head and your tailbone are completely supported by the roller. Okay. And now just like take a second to kind of adapt to this place here, to your spine being in like total alignment with your head, which feels different and good from when we're lying in bed. That's a little bit different, right? Because we have pillows. Take a nice big breath. Exhale, just drop yourself down into gravity. And then start with some reaching active circles. Reach your arms down towards your feet and then up toward the sky, back behind you, and open out. You can keep your arms straight. You can bend your elbows with these circles. As they come down, maybe you pull the elbows down towards your waistline and make sort of more of a goalpost kind of shape. Keep it going. Do maybe 3, 4, 5 of these circles, inhaling back, exhaling around. And then let's stop on this last one and reach to the sky. Retract your shoulders, retract your arms up toward the sky. I think that's more like protract, up toward the sky. So you're spreading your shoulder blades apart. And then pull the arm bones backward so that you're giving the roller a hug between your shoulder blades. This is just some scapular mobility. Let's do it again. Spread the shoulder blades away from the roller and squeeze them in toward the roller. If you can do this without bending your elbows, then you've got pretty good shoulder blade mobility. If you need to bend your elbows, that's just fine too. That'll help you connect the shoulder blades to the roller, then great. It's kind of like you're giving the roller a hug between your shoulder blades. And the next time you reach up, clasp your hands together, bring them behind you, and soften your elbows. Let your arms just drop into gravity here. Take a few breaths. Any kind of like strong sensations happening through your underarm, your armpit, the pinky line of your arm. That all makes sense. Even if you're having a little bit of pinching or some scrunching in the top of your shoulder, that makes sense too. Try to tolerate that. If you can't, then bring the hands on top of your forehead and try there. Take another couple breaths. Exhale, release the lower spine, the mid spine, upper spine, all the way into the roller. And then if you have your hands back behind you still, release the clasp in your hands and just let your arms fall wherever they do. The further outward they come, sort of the tighter your pecs are, pec minor. So keep them just honest. Wherever they want to float is fine. Take one more breath in there. And the next time you inhale, reach the arms up high behind you. Exhale them wide to the sides. and back down towards your side. There's many ways to expand on this, but we'll just end with a little neck rotation. So let your arms drop wherever they're most comfortable. Maybe you're still in that big old goal post or arms up overhead. Maybe your arms are just gently down by your sides. Start to rock your head over to the right. Try to resist the urge to pick up your head and turn it. Let it rock against the curvature of the roller, and then rock over to the left. Real passive neck stretch. Take it one more time to the right. Take a full cycle of breath in when you're over at the right. Rock your head over to the left. Take a full cycle of breath there. In and out. And then when you're quite finished, slide one leg straight. Slither off that side. Use your hands to gently press yourself up to a seated place. And just feel a little bit more open throughout your day. Thanks for joining me for that ultimate opener. Thanks, guys.